Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and tap on display. Now scroll down over here and click on easy mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and wait. Now when I click home button, as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you need to access apps, go into settings and tap on display. Then go into easy mode section over here again and tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!